Find a comfortable and quiet place where you can sit or lie down for the duration of this guided meditation. Take a moment to notice how your body feels, watching the reaction of your mind as it's invited to connect with your body. Whatever your state, whatever turmoils are going on, you are where you need to be right now. Take a moment to appreciate yourself for being open to creating a better relationship with yourself. There is no right or wrong way to feel about who you are, but there are painful and non-painful ways to think about yourself. This meditation will invite you into the moment. Past and future do not exist, they are figments of the mind. So who you were in the past and who you anticipate yourself to be in the future are also creations of your mind. The person you need to meet is who you are right now, in this moment. We're going to begin by soothing the body. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow your body to relax. Let go of any tension in your muscles and imagine a sense of calmness spreading throughout your body. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, connect to your willingness to release any negative thoughts or feelings about yourself that you may be holding on to. As you continue to breathe deeply, feel the surface beneath you, supporting your body as you sink deeper and deeper into relaxation. Now bring your attention to your feet. Imagine a warm, soothing energy flowing in, relaxing your toes, your arches, and the soles of your feet. Feel the tension melting away as you allow your feet to fully relax. Now bring your attention to your legs. Imagine this warm, soothing energy flowing up your calves, your knees, and your thighs, relaxing your muscles and allowing them to release. Feel the weight of your legs sinking deeper into relaxation. Continue to breathe deeply and bring your attention to your torso. Feel the rise and fall of your chest as you breathe. Imagine this warm, soothing energy flowing into your torso, relaxing your stomach, your back, and your chest. Feel your whole torso relaxing as you sink deeper and deeper into relaxation. Now bring your attention to your arms. Imagine the warm, soothing energy flowing into your arms, relaxing your biceps, your elbows, and your forearms. Feel your arms becoming heavier and more relaxed with each breath. Notice this warm, soothing energy flowing up into your head, relaxing any micro tensions in your scalp, in your forehead, and your jaw. Feel the tension melting away as you allow your head and your neck to fully relax. Find your heart space and breathe into the space around your heart. Now find your mind up in your head, and as you breathe in, imagine the breath flooding your brain, swirling and cooling the neural circuits. Return back down to the heart and breathe. And now back up to the mind and breathe. Your mind has become burdened by the stories of how you are supposed to be. Your mind has become lost in the expectation of others, which became the expectations of yourself. Place your hand over your heart. This is where your home is. Mind navigates the world. Your heart and your breath can bring you home. Whatever you did or didn't do in the past is now nothing but a story, and you don't need to use this story to create who you are right now. You just are. Stay with your heart. How can you possibly know nothing will change? If you become your own ally, if you start having your own back, even when you're feeling disappointed with your actions, you won't have to strive for transformation. It will come to you. Bring your attention to your heart space. Feel the warmth of your hand against your chest. And just rest there a moment in appreciation for yourself. You showed up for you today. And as you step back out into the world, look out for the stories you're telling yourself about yourself. Once a story is uncovered as a story, it no longer has the power to tell you who you are. Go well, my friend. I'm rooting for you.